Hi friends, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel EV Analyst Electric Vehicle Analyst. In this channel, we will be posting the latest update of electric vehicle. If you like the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get continuous update about electric vehicle. Today we are going to talk about Voltron VM 100 electric cycle. The Voltron VM 100 electric cycle is from Delhi based Voltron Motor Private Limited. It is India first electric cycle with a mid-drive motor which is providing 100 km on range of single charge. Let's talk about design and specification. The main highlight of Voltron VM 100 Air, it has lightweight iron alloy frame, fork suspension, full LED display that shows battery level indicator, disc brakes and rear brakes and anti-rust steel chain. The bicycle weight is 30 kg and its loading capacity is 160 kg on plain road and up to 120 kg uphill. It is unique electric cycle that allow pillion ring and hill ring, off-road ring and city ring. Let's talk about technical specification. It is equipped with powerful 24 watts 250 watts mid-drive motor with waterproof casing. It's powered by smart 24 watts 24Ah lithium-ion battery. It is running cost is also 3 paisa per kilometer. Let's talk about speed and range. It gives a top speed of 25 km per hour. So you don't need any license or registration to ride this electric cycle. It provides a range of 75 to 100 km. Let's talk about charging. The battery charging time of Voltron is 2.5 hours. Let's talk about service and warranty. The company is providing 1 year warranty on bicycle frame, fork, motor, battery and controller, and its maintenance is free. Let's talk about price. You can either order it on the company website or order on the Flipkart. It's coming with price tag of 35,000. What do you think of Voltron VM 100 electric cycle? Please drop a comment below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get continuous update about electric vehicle.